In this video, we are going to program the Caesar cipher. It is a substitution cipher where we will pass the character with a fixed number of shift. Suppose we have a hello keyword here. So hello, we will shift with the 3. So how we will encode this? This H will be replaced with a K. Similarly, E will be replaced with H and L will be replaced with O and O will be replaced with R. So if we want to encode like this, how we can achieve this using the Python program? So to understand this, you have to understand the first thing is in the programming, specifically C and O language, characters are encoded in the numbers, where the small a, most of the small a is encoded with the number 97 and capital A is encoded with the number 65. So this is the standard where you can Google it and you can figure out. So we have to make this thing in mind because this is important thing we are going to use in our encryption. So we will make one function with the Caesar cipher Caesar encryption. We give the name like encryption. It will take the two arguments. One is a text and second one is a shift. So after that, first we will make one empty string. The first step what we are going to do, for all the characters in the text. So what we have to verify, the character we are getting, is it a number or is it an alphabet? So first we will verify if character is alphabet. What we are going to do, we will check is a small character or the big character. So we will check the order. It will give the A if the character is lower, else it will give the order capital A is a capital letter. So what this line means is, this line will give you the output 65 if the character is a big character, and it will give you the number 97 if the character is small. The next we will check the shifted character code. First check the order of the character we received from the text. Then starting character code plus shift. So what is happening here? Suppose you give the character Z, just to understand it. Suppose you have a Z. Z is ASI code is 90. So what will happen here? It will do the 90 minus starting character code. It will check is a small or big. Capital Z is a larger, so it will give you the output 65. So how much I want to shift? Suppose I want to do the shift 2. After that we apply, it will give you the remainder. So that remainder will be 90 minus 65 is 25, 27. So remainder will be 1. So it will be encoded as 1. So the output we are going to get is Z plus 1, which is A. So this will only to understand, but if you do by hand you will understand better, or if you try to encode it then you will get the better. So after that, the similar way we add So we have to add here also. Starting character port. So this one, if we get the alphabet. How about if we don't get any alphabet? So we just take and increase the character by 1 and go. After that, we can return this. Now we are going to encode this. How we will use? Suppose we are making the text. Text is a string of hello, capital, and shift is 3. Now we will get the encrypt output. This encrypt output will be Caesar encrypt, where we will pass our text and shift. Then we print this. What do you think? What will be the output? Let's run and see. The object has no pose. String has no object is alpha. Did you mean is alpha? Oh, yes, spelling is wrong. Is alpha. Is alpha. Nice. Okay. So here we can encrypt it. Suppose we want to decrypt this. Then how we are going to decrypt this? If you want to decrypt this, how we can do the decryption? Decryption is much easier than the encryption. We make one function with the Caesar decrypt, which also take the two text and shift. So we will to decrypt we will use the encryption, but the one thing we are going to use, we will take the text and negative object. So we can make it like this is encryption and this one is dtext. Dtext is code shift by 3. D shift, and after that decrypt output is equal to Caesar decrypt dtext D shift and print. Make it F string and write like encryption of we can write like this: text is encrypt output, and we can remove this. And here we can write like the same way: decryption decryption of the text is decrypt output. So now if we run this straight, so I think everything is okay. Oh, the decryption of code is because here we have to get pass this to here. Now it will work very well. Encryption of hello is code and decryption of code is whole. So this way we can do the Caesar Cipher